Building a time tracking habit that actually sticks can be a game changer for productivity, but let's be honest, it's harder than it sounds. You've probably tried time tracking tools before, but they end up collecting dust or feeling like another task to manage. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make time tracking a habit that sticks. And by the end, you'll have a practical strategy that actually works. First, let's talk about consistency. The key to building any habit is consistency. Don't aim for perfection. Just aim to track your time every day, no matter how messy it seems. Start with just 5 minutes of tracking, then gradually increase it as you get comfortable. It's more about creating the routine than about tracking every minute accurately right away. The second key point is simplicity. The last thing you want is to get bogged down by a complicated tool. That's why I recommend using a tool that streamlines the process, something that doesn't require tons of setup or overwhelming features. The software we'll be using is simple and intuitive, so you can start tracking with minimal effort. If you want to follow along with what I'm using, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Now, here's an important tip. Start with categories. If you want to make time tracking a habit, don't overwhelm yourself with micromanaging every single task. Instead, create broad categories like work, breaks, and personal. This makes it easier to track without having to write everything down. As you get more comfortable, you can refine your categories later. Don't forget the power of reminders. Set up daily or even hourly reminders on your phone or through your software. These reminders act as gentle nudges that help you stay on track and reinforce the habit. You can also set a time at the end of each day to review your time logs. This helps you reflect on how well you stuck to your tracking and where you can improve tomorrow. Another important aspect is understanding the data. Don't just track your time for the sake of tracking it. Use the data to gain insights into where your time is going and adjust accordingly. If you're spending too much time on low-value tasks, make a change. The software we're using provides helpful reports to show you exactly where your time is going so you can make smarter decisions. One more point, make tracking a part of your routine. Whether it's right after you finish a task or at the beginning of your day, attach time tracking to something you already do. This helps form the connection between the task and the habit. For example, you might open your time tracking tool right after you check your emails in the morning. Before I close off, remember, to help you build this habit, I've linked an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. You can follow along and get started right away. To recap, the key to building a time tracking habit that actually sticks is 1. Keep it simple and consistent. 2. Use broad categories to make tracking easy. 3. Set daily reminders and review your logs. 4. Use the data to adjust your behavior. 5. Attach time tracking to your existing routines. And finally, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description so you can start tracking your time today and see how powerful this habit can be. Happy tracking!